It's just a question of reach, man.
It's all about the prettiest arc, John.
There you go.
Sweet.
You're just going to have to pitch it to us, Tom.
Hit it right back at him.
Nice. That made a
Awesome.
lovely sound. Good deal.
Okay, get in this. Get in this.
Step back.
Oh.
Oh.
I can see something bad happening back there.
Where are those goggles?
I don't think goggles are going to help. Where's the headgear? Where's the headgear?
Yeah, really.
Oh.
Holy mother.
Awesome.
Went way up in the neighbor's yard.
That was a good
It
sound.
went way up there in the neighbor's yard. Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Well,
That was brown.
yeah, it's Guinness. Look.
Oh great.
Good job, John.
Cops will be getting called any moment.
We're not doing
Is that
anything
a kid?
illegal.
We're
It's
not.
fun.
I know it's fine.
That was a little scary.
Look, those kids are like,
Knowing
they're over there blowing stuff up.
knowing that little kid, he'll be over here going, "Can I sit?"
No, you cannot.
Hey John, show the can again. Show the can again.
Hold the can up.
Hold the can up.
No, but that dog is pretty upset, so. Wow, talking about a dog.
Okay.
We'll go get it. We'll go get it.
That was pretty cool.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, that made a good sound, didn't it?
I got it.
That was the official sound. What I think of when I hear see the comic book word whack. That was the sound.
That was more of a pow.
You think?
Pow is a much more bassier sound. That was a
There's a
pow or a
thunk.
thud.
How is a bassier sound than whack? Okay.
Well, yeah. Whack is a baseball crack. You whack that ball out of the park.
Let it go.
Fizzer. Oh man, that one's going fast.
Kill it. See what I mean? That's nice.
Hey, that made a nice spiral.
Yep. That's just short.
Look out!
Hey now. Wow.
Wow, your sex life is going to change.
For the positive or the negative.
You
I
get
like
it,
that
Rob.
about you.
That's a foul tip. Finger out.
No.
Smash it.
Here. Oh, that smell's coming up here.
Oh!
Oh,
Hey, one
Iron
more.
Man.
Lordy.
So, what are you going to do? You're going to do a couple rounds, right?
Man, that is... Oh.
Nasty.
Nice.
Yeah.
My God, who knew he was so aggressive?